Open Camera 3D by pressing the Sprout Launcher button and selecting Camera 3D from the HP WorkTools dock. Tap the carets on the top left and right corners to toggle labeling on as you learn the software. You can always toggle them off if you no longer need them. Place an object on the mat. The gray circle will turn green if the camera can see it. Keep in mind, this does not mean the object is scannable. It just means the camera can see the object. Remove your hands and select the 3D capture button from the menu on the bottom right. Holding the object from underneath, begin by quickly moving it to show all sides to the camera. This gives the camera an initial full view of the object. You might see parts of your hands in the scan, but as you continue to rotate and move the object, they will be replaced with the object's geometry. Do not leave the object stationary for too long. Continue to rotate the object slowly until you have filled in all of the gaps that appear on screen. If you see the tracking lost message, remove the object, then place it back on the mat in its original orientation. This is so the camera can see something that it recognizes. When you're finished, hit stop at the bottom of the right menu. Now we will capture high-resolution images that will be mapped to the geometry. The camera will see the object best in soft ambient lighting. However, if the lights are dim or are casting too many shadows, you can always turn the lamp on to get more light. To start the photo texture capture, hit the camera icon on the bottom of the right menu. The parts that are captured will turn from gray to color on screen. Wait until the thumbnail populates before taking the next photo. It is okay to support the object with your hands, but make sure they are not covering any of the areas of the object that are being captured. Rotate the object and continue to take photo texture captures until all areas have changed to color. After capturing all sides of the object, review the pictures to make sure there aren't any with hands or shadows covering parts of the object. Delete as needed. Deleting a photo may mean that part of the color object turns gray again. Fill in any missing color by taking more captures. You can take up to 30 photos to increase the quality of the texture. Review again, and if satisfied, select the checkmark to finalize the scan. The finalizing process may take up to 5 minutes, depending on the complexity of the object. Once finalized, rotate the image to see all sides of the 3D model. Tap the texture icon to switch between texture on, wireframe, and texture off views. Select Adjust PBR to enable or disable PBR viewing. Normal, roughness, metalness, and diffuse color JPG maps are all exported by default with the 3D capture. Camera 3D exports to .obj or .3mf files. You can also export the 3D model directly to Sketchfab or Stage. When you are finished, you can select the Add New button at the bottom of the left menu to start a new capture.